Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to enable or disable the show desktop features on functionality on the taskbar in Windows 11 guys. I believe going back to Windows Vista or Windows 7 there was a feature to show the desktop. If you hover the far right corner of the desktop, how to enable, I show you guys how to do that. How to do that, show desktop, how to enable or disable it, I show you guys. For that, right click on the taskbar and go to taskbar settings and scroll down guys, taskbar behaviors, click on it and scroll down, select the far corner of taskbar to show the desktop. Unchecking this will gone guys, this will disappear, desktop, so the desktop will disappear guys. If you check mark over here, that will appear again guys. That's it for today's video. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.